How to stop two-factor authentication on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can stop two-factor authentication on Facebook app. So let's dive in. So first, open up your Facebook app and click these three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner. Now click settings and privacy, and then you have to choose the settings option on the menu. Now click see more in account center, and then you have to click this password and security option. It's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click this two-factor authentication. Now choose your Facebook account, and now to turn it off you have to choose the method that you chose for your authentication. I chose authentication app, so I'm going to click this option, and then you have to simply stop it by toggling this option off. So here you can see turn off two-factor authentication. If you turn off two-factor authentication, your account will no longer have an extra layer of protection. Click turn off. And now you can see the authentication app security method is off, and here you go. That's how you stop two-factor authentication on Facebook app. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.